Hey everybody, it's Brian Lee with BT Lee's Sauces and Rubs. Today we're doing herbed roasted potatoes with my Something to Cluck About herb blend. Hope you enjoy. So our potatoes are out of the oven. Let me tell you how good this smelled while it was cooking, and let me show you. Look at that. These potatoes are the perfect side dish and accompaniment to any meal. Sometimes I just like to crack an egg over top of it and eat it for breakfast. That's Something to Cluck About. Really sets off the potato. Perfect meal. I hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe for more content.